So I've been testing the Instacool Pro for a while now, and honestly, I wanted to see if this thing actually lives up to all the hype floating around online. On paper, it's pitched as a two-in-one cooling and heating solution with no installation, no hoses, and supposedly super quiet operation. Basically, a plug-and-play alternative to traditional AC units. And here's the thing, setup really is that simple. You take it out of the box, plug it in, and it starts pushing out airflow almost immediately. For small rooms or a home office, the cooling effect is noticeable within minutes. But I've got to be real with you. It's not a full replacement for a proper compressor air conditioner. In peak summer heat, it struggles a bit in larger spaces, especially if you're expecting that ice-cold walk-in fridge feeling. Where it does shine is convenience. No installation, no maintenance headaches, and it's quiet enough for sleeping or working. So my verdict? The Instacool Pro is solid for personal cooling and light use, but if you need serious whole room AC power, you'll still want a traditional system.